Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
We had put this up before David Risher showed up when Logan Green and John Zimmer were running Lyft into the ground. You guys can see this big tree and the little tree? You guys can see that little tree right there where it says pink Lyft, like it's almost like a shrub now. And then David Risher showed up, and then he tried to compete, and he tried to change things. In fact, Lyft stock did really, really well. So talking about stocks, if you guys don't know, under some sort of rock already, I have a finance YouTube channel. It's at Sergio Avedian. YouTube has nothing to do with gig economy or rideshare because I have close to 35 years of experience on Wall Street. And channel has done well. In a couple, 3 months, I broke like 1,000 subs already, but I'm not doing it for YouTube money. I'm doing it just like I'm doing it here for education purposes. It's at Sergio Avedian. Go subscribe. You'll learn quite a bit. You'll learn because I know finance and trading and stocks and bonds and everything else 10 times more than I know about rideshare. Again, it's free information. It's amazing, amazing information, actually. So one thing you cannot buy in this world is experience, and I'm sharing my experience of 30 plus years with you guys on that channel. But so what happened is that the earnings came out on both companies last week. Uber did amazing, right? Hitting on all cylinders. Fantastic conference call. We thought David Risher was going to turn the company around and then, get a little shrub, get some water, get some sun, grow a little bit. In fact, it was happening. Stock went from $9 all the way to $20. And guess what? The last earnings quarter was okay. They're growing at, mid-teens. But what happened is that their outlook for the coming quarter was bad. And then what they do, stock is right back to $9 again. Please don't ask me if you should buy the stock or not. I cannot give you financial advice. But Uber stock, before the earnings, was at $55 a share on last Monday when it was Bloody Monday. If you're involved in trading or stocks at all, you know what happened, like a mini crash. And then it hit 55 today, closed at 71. That's like 10 days, right? Not even 9 days, 9 trading days, 55 to 71 is pretty good. It's excellent. What am I saying? Pretty good. And Uber is hitting on all cylinders. Everything is going well with the company. Their delivery side is doing well. Rideshare is growing mid-teens. Uber did 2.8 billion trips with a B in one quarter. They're doing over 1.2 million trips per hour around the globe, per hour, every hour, 24/7, 365 days a year. Figure the system out. I'm just shocked that the stuff works as well as it does. But then Lyft now is back to being the little shrub again, right? Uber is kind of hovering over that little tree, and then the little tree is not getting enough sun, and the little tree is not getting enough. I'm rooting for Lyft because, listen, people, if Lyft goes out of business and Uber is the monopoly, if you guys are complaining now that you're not making any money, then you guys haven't seen anything yet. Okay, but because in a monopoly, one player, they can do whatever the heck they want. If you guys think they're doing whatever the heck they want now, you want Lyft actually staying in competition. But then the competition, obviously, look, size-wise, Uber is 140 billion, Lyft is 4 billion. Some drivers like Lyft, some drivers like Uber. There was a question if is Lyft going to go out of business. I hope not. I don't think they will. But as an investment, I'm talking about, I don't think it's a prudent thing to do. It's like $9 and change. But, maybe they'll get taken over by somebody because we talked about that a year ago. And then, we may revisit that issue again.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.